Before you is an ultraviolet lamp of our production, 18W, designed to replace the lamp from those in bactericidal installations. It's a low-pressure mercury piezo quartz lamp. Lamp labeling options are listed on its page on the website. Characteristics: the lamp has 2 ceramic falcons with 4 pins on one side. The power of the lamp is 18 watts. Operating current is 0.8A. Its emission power is 5 watts. Dimensions: the length of the lamp is 212 mm, arc length 125 mm, tube diameter 15 mm, base diameter 20 mm. The service life is 11,000 hours. You can see all technical parameters in the lamp passport. Each of our lamps is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with extra soft protection inside. We guarantee safety during transportation and free replacement in case of damage. We always have all kinds of accessories available for all kinds of germicidal environments. Lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, gaskets and connectors. All of our lamps have a special G-LivePower Plus compound applied to the inside surface, developed by EWL engineers. It prevents the silica glass from penetrating the mercury molecule, prolonging the effective life of the lamp. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us by phone.